Hi everyone, welcome to Block 4. We'll begin Block 4 with the review of the sounds we learned in the earlier blocks 1 through 3. Okay, let's start. A, I, M, S, T, P, F, L, W, H, S, N, L, B, R, K, K, K. Very good. Did you know all those sounds? Good job. Let's go to some word families. You ready? Let's read all these. An, ap, at, ab, ab, at, am, at, it, ick, ack, ack, hop, cop, cob, mob, bob, bab, cab, tab, tan, tin. Very good. Good reading. Did you notice Bob had the ah and Bab had the ah? Very good. Because the vowel sound changes the word completely. So you have to be careful what vowel sounds you make. Okay, let's go to our words, word families that we can read with the ak and the ick. You ready? How about you read first and then I'll read it and see if you're right. Okay, let's go. Bin, bick, bick. Did you notice these were the same? Ick, ick. Very good. Good reading. Kick, nick, knack. Did you get that vowel sound? Good for you. Knock, sock, pock, rock, rot, lot, cot. Very good. Good reading. Now let's look at a quick review. K, k, k. 3 ways of writing the k sound. This way will usually be at the end of a word. S, s. 2 ways of writing the s sound so far. Okay, good job. Now let's go to, here's some sounds. These are going to be our line leaders. And here's some word families. So we're going to take some of these word families, some of these line leaders, and make some words. Make and read them. So let's do a quick review of these, and then we'll make some words right here in the middle. Okay, let's review. B, k, k, r, n, a, f, l, w, h, I, a, m, s, t, an, ap, at, ab, ab, at, it, ick, ack, at, am, ap, im, ip, in, all, ack. Very good. Okay, now let's make some words with combining these sounds. So let's start with an easy one. At. So let's see, what if I start with, now what do I have? At, fat. Good reading. Let's try, now what do I have? N, at, gnat. Very good. Now what if I take away this and put what do I have? N-ab, nab. Very good. Now what if I take away this and add in, now what do I have? R-ab, rab. Very good. Pretend word. Now what if I take away our vowel and instead put in this sound? Now what do we have? R-ab, rob. Very good. Rob. Now what if I take away this and add this sound? What do we have? R-at, rot. Very good. Now what if I take away this and add this sound? Now what do we have? R-at, rat. Very good. Now let's take away this and add this. And what do we have? M-at, mat. Very good. Now let's try one of our word families. Let's take away this and instead add, now what do we have? Remember this word family? All. Very good. So we have all, mall. Good job. And what if we get rid of this and put, now what do we have? All, fall. Good job. And now let's try, now what do we have? All, tall. Let's do one more of our all family. How about this one? Now what do we have? All. Very good. Good job. Now what if we take away this and instead put this? Now what do we have? We changed our ending. Now we have ack, back. Good reading. Now let's change our vowel. How about? And let's put in this one. Now what do we have? Ick, beck. Very good, beck. And now what if we change this to, now what do we have? Sick, sick. Very good. Now what if we change this to, can you read this word? Good job. Sack, sack. Very good. How about, let's see, erase this and we'll put this one in. Now what do we have? Rock, rock. Very good. Now what if we take away our ak ending and instead put in, and what do we have? Rap, rap. And if we change our vowel, now what do we have? Rip, rip. Very good. And if we change this ending, now what is it? Rib, rib. And one more. Take away this, and we will put this one in. And what do we have? Bib. Very good, bib. Good job. Good reading.